Hi there, Automotive Control in Bristol, Transit Custom 2018. Fitted a KENWOOD unit with reverse camera. Also did the tow bar at the same time. So we've done a KENWOOD DMX 7722-S, which is fitted just there. So we've got steering controls working. This had the basic radio in, which was literally USB only. So this is a super upgrade for the customer. So with this unit, it's wireless Android, wireless CarPlay, digital radio. We've got the reverse camera just there in action. Great view down the tow ball. Guidelines you can adjust or remove. You've got your menu here with all the bits on there. 3-year warranty on this unit. In stock, give us a call. Automotive Control Bristol. Thanks for watching.